Hi friends, let's learn the alphabet today. Oh no, everything is mixed up and they're all color blue. Can you help me find the letters? Great! Is this a letter? No, this one is a triangle. Look, it's the letter I and the letter B. Do you see any more letters? Is this a letter? No, it's the number 3. This one is a letter. It's the letter U and the letter O. I think that's all for the blue letters. Great job! Wow, everything is color red. Look, we found the letter V. Is this a letter? No, this one is a letter. It's the letter C. Look, it's a hexagon. And here is the letter P. We have 3 letters now. Look, it's the letter Z. And the letter H. I think that's all for the red letters. Great job! Wow, look at all these yellows. Is this a letter? No. This one is a number 5. This one is a letter. It's the letter Q. Look, it's the letter A. And the letter K. Do you see any more letters? This one is a 0. And we got the letter W. I think that's all for the yellow letters. Great job! Wow, everything is colored green now. This is a crescent shape with the number 1. And this is a number 9. Have you seen any letters yet? Yes, this is the letter D. And the letter G for green. This one is the minus sign. Look, it's the letter Y. Is this one a letter? No, this one is a letter. Is the letter S. Do you see any more letters? Yes, it's the letter M. Wow, look at all these color orange. Do you see any letters? Look, we found the letter R. Hooray! What else? Is this our letter X? No, it's a multiplication sign. And this is the number 7. Look, it's the letter X we're looking for. Great job! And the letter E. And the letter L. Hooray! Oh, look at all these purples. But I don't see any letter. Maybe they're hiding. Maybe there's a letter here. Yes, it's the letter T. And this one has the letter J. What's next? The letter N. And the letter F. Yay, we got all the letters now. Let's put them into the puzzle. A for apple. B for ball. for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for llama. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. See you on the next video.